Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable suggestion on Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram account. Click on to profile icon. Go to edit, but not showing here to this option. So go back and go to your Google search bar and type here to select Chrome and log in Instagram account. So tap on the profile icon, click on edit profile, scroll down, and just you can easily disable this option from here and tap on to submit. Okay, now done. So that's how you can easily disable this option.